So on the Watch 7, a lot of watch faces is not compatible anymore. My favorite was the Watchmaker. It's not compatible yet, but they said they're working on it. But I don't think it's going to be. But here's a fix or workaround. Click on wearable on your phone. Click on watch faces. You scroll down till you see photo. You click on photos. On the top left, it popped up. You click on this, the top left. You click on background, pictures, gallery. From here, whatever picture you downloaded. So it's whatever picture you downloaded. I downloaded watch faces, as you can see. I'm just going to pick this on this for the tutorial. Now you pinch in and out to size it and position it, whatever. But this for the tutorial, I'm not going to make it perfect, but there you go. Once that is done, click on clock type. Click on hands. And then you can click whatever color you want for the clock or whatever. Go with red. And the rest is just other add-ons you can put on, but this is basically it. And you click save. And that's it. It's going to send it automatically to your watch. And there you go. So this is just some of the ones I made. Keep in mind, when you download it, you can see that little square box on the right. That's supposed to be for you to add your time in because it's a real watch face. So you can look for ones that don't have that if you want. But I did add a lot of them in here. So, all right, there you go.